Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we're going to show you our improved wine chiller. Okay, so this is a box we made, and we have a cold water tank over here. We turn on the system and we will check the time. Okay, we have three sensors over here. So we have a thermometer on cold part of tech cooling on Peltier. We have thermometer on hot part and water temperature. It's important to know that now it's 28 Celsius over here, and we have two DC-DC converters for each tech cooling. So this one consumes almost 2 volts and 2 amps. And these 5 amps and 4.5, 5 volts and 4.5 amps. So the thing is that you need to have the minimum delta on tech cooling to make it work on maximum capacity, maximum efficiency. So as you can see, after 90 seconds, we have the temperature of cold part almost 0, and it drops rapidly. And you see the temperature of hot part is still 23, and the water is almost temperature the same. So what we actually improved here, we put one tech cooling on the second one, one on another. So we use these two tech cooling plates. And the thing is that once you have here minus, let's say 0 Celsius, this part will be very, very hot. And then you cannot run the tech cooling plate on maximum capacity. So you need to keep minimum delta. That's why we put one tech cooling on a second one. So we make it like a sandwich. That's kind of our invention. You probably can make it 3 even, but for our application we decided that 2 tech cooling plates would be enough. And you see that the temperature on cold part is already minus. So we have not a chiller, it's already a refrigerator. We have minus, the water will be freezing inside. Inside of this water tank we have a very big endurance production heatsink. So that's what this guy is actually cools down the hot part of Peltier. So it looks like this with a thermal glue. And we also have a fish compressor inside. So it's actually moves the water inside the tank. And this heatsink we use inside of our laser box on cold part. We also will add a fan over here, so that will actually cools down the entire space. Okay, after almost 5 minutes we have the temperature. It looks like we got some stabilization. We have minus 5.9, almost minus 6 Celsius, and the water temperature is still going up a little bit, and the hot part keeps stable. So that's pretty good, and we reached this thermal stability. And of course, if water temperature, so for example if you add ice inside this tank, you'll have better delta, and the temperature cold part will be I assume much lower. Okay, let me show you inside of our chiller, our freezer. So we use extruded polypropylene, and at the end we'll add this cover. It's like a space industry thing. Yeah, so that's was about it I wanted to tell you. And yes, the temperature is slightly changes, so we can say that we reached that thermal stability. And yeah, looks good, and I plan to try the Endurance freezer, wine chiller, and try to cool down some sparkling wine. And we'll show you this updated video later, and we'll upload on our channel. So hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Visit our website, EnduranceLasers.com. We have a lot of interesting R&D projects over there, and visit our online store, Endurance-Lasers.com. You're welcome to add comments, ideas under this video. Email me at info@endurancelasers.com, and you can reach me 239-302-0053. Have a great and wonderful experience with endurance projects. Bye-bye.